Man, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Motion back with another video. Hey man, shout out to y'all went crazy on the last video where I got my carbon kit installed on my X3M Cs. Y'all went crazy on that one, but check the carbon though. It's kind of dirty right now, I ain't gonna lie, real dirty. But in today's video, man, we about to see how fast my car is. So right now it's currently, let me give y'all, sheesh. Right now it's currently stage 2 boot mod 3 on 93, and I got XSP stage 3, and I got just a downpipe and front mount intakes. So today I want to do some runs with it to see how fast can it really go, how fast, not can really go, but how fast it is. 60 to 130, the quarter mile, 0 to 60, stuff like that. Because I plan on actually putting this car on ethanol, putting this car on some E, just to see, because I know E on these cars is crazy, man. But right now I'm about to go pick up my draggy, because Trish got my draggy right now, and so I'm about to slide on him, get my draggy. We're gonna get some nice draggy runs. So right now my car is actually full weight, nothing's gutted, even got boxes in the back, full weight, man, full weight vehicle, grocery getter, man. So right now about to go see if we can find pick up the draggy. I need to get a charger for the draggy because I think the draggy is dead. So we're gonna get all of that, man. But shout out to y'all in the last video, man, for sure, man. Like, y'all be went crazy on that one, bro. Y'all went crazy, man. But more mods on the way for y'all. I see that y'all love the mods, man, but I'm gonna keep bringing the mods in for y'all, man. No worries, no worries. So yeah, right now I'm in the road. I ain't gonna beat on it too much because I don't want my car to get too hot. You know, when it's hot, it affects the time. So right now we're on the way there, man. So we just pulled up, we got the X3 right here, got the Trishi mobile right here. You think we about to run 10s today? 8s. What the hell? 8s? And that? What you thinking, bro? Like, realistic number.
Realistic?
Quarter mile right now.
What did we run last time?
An X5? I'm talking about on this joint.
Oh,
an
this?
X3 I'm about to test it right now.
Oh, the X5, what was your numbers running?
11.
11?
6.
Oh, nah, this is 9 easily. What the hell? This is
not on 93?
9, bro.
On 93?
Oh, 9.
Bro, be realistic, bro. It's not hitting 9s, bro.
It's hitting 9.
Hell no. Bro, it's probably gonna be like a 10-6.
I think it should be good though, bro.
Yeah.
But nigga, what the?
That shit is crazy, bro. It's definitely gonna rub though. Definitely.
I can't fit in my back seat.
Let's have some wait and see.
There's nothing in there. Oh, my rotors is in there. Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Now you good.
I think it tucks right under.
OD.
Nigga, I took the spacers off.
For real?
Yeah,
oh yeah, that shit was not gonna fit, bro.
But nigga, what the?
Nah, that's wild.
This bitch is too wide.
That's perfect though.
This is perfect.
Like, that's perfect.
If you're looking for this tire size, 305, no.
Jeez, bro.
305, 35, 19.
It's a real race car, man.
God.
The fuck, nigga? Nigga, mad noise, bro. Real race car, man. Nigga can't even get out. Hell nah. Throw them Z's away, bro. Let's cancel Z's in 2025, man. Let's cancel them shits, bro. Cancel them niggas, bro.
On the sled or something?
But we're gonna see how fast this car goes today. That's nonsense. I think it's gonna be like a 10-6 today. It's definitely went like a 10-6.
Oh, is that nigga driving? 10? Hey, nah, you need the draggy?
Yeah. About to go test it. Yeah, about to go test it right now.
Well, you going to Mexico Road up and down?
Oh yeah.
Nigga, no, there's a cop waiting for your ass. Yes. Nigga, he trying to do something a log, nigga. I see him watching this porn. I see a nigga.
Hell no.
Waiting, bro.
What?
On this road.
I bet.
Mexico Road up and
so
down,
he just parked up there?
Bro, no, like you were going, was coming up the hill. He's down the hill, bro. Like where you can't see him, bro.
I'm gonna get back for no reason. Fuck.
Hey, you did an engine charger?
Yeah, Jomo said he got a short joint.
At home? Yeah. Yeah, let's go home to my laptop.
Nah, that joint about to hook nice.
I'm about to hook you nice.
Yeah, man, I was about to go to Mexico, but there's a cop waiting for me in Mexico, bro. He gonna take me back to the United States. So hell nah, man. Hell nah. So right now I'm about to go get a charger. Got picked up draggy. Try to get a charger. Shit. Nah, that nigga fit me crazy though. I ain't gonna lie. That shit, it's like perfect. Oh, copyright. That shit look perfect, bro. That shit literally perfect. It tucked right underneath. Nah, what? Shit. You know, we got the draggy, everything dialed in. Shit's charging up real good. Shout out to draggy. I don't have my phone mount, so I really can't even show you like the recorder of the draggy, but what y'all think we gonna run? All right, well, give me a realistic, stop the video right here and give me a realistic number. 1/4 mile and 60 to 130. We full weight, by the way, and we probably more than a little full weight because, you know, I got a whole bunch of stuff in the trunk. And yeah, I'm thinking cool 10-6, but I gotta find a nice spot to do a dig because the spot I was about to go in Mexico, there's a cop waiting for us over there, and he's not about to get me today, man. Yeah, but oh shit. As you know, we're on the 20-inch wheels right now, the GT wheels, so it's probably a little lighter than full weight, but it's technically still full weight because I still got stuff in the trunk. But the draggies are all ready to go. So right now I just gotta find a spot where I could take it to. Then I'm gonna switch on the head mount, so it's gonna, oh damn. I'm gonna switch out to the head mount and give y'all a way better angle, so it's gonna be way cleaner for y'all. But I'm gonna just find a spot real quick and tune y'all right back in. All right, man, right now I got you on the head mount with it, man. See if we can find somewhere. Come on, windows up. But right now I got you on the head mount. See if I can find somewhere I can give y'all a nice dig. But sheesh. We'll see if that's able to be possible. I'm thinking we might be able to do it on this road right here, but cars is coming. So hopefully I'm gonna try to do it at the light right here, but that light is going uphill, so I'm not really sure if we're gonna be able to get to it. Don't worry, y'all, this all performed in Mexico, man. The video is sped up 2 times, so don't worry. Right now the drag said my 8th mile is 18 seconds. Imagine that. Yeah, I'm gonna try right now. I'm about to try to go off this ramp right here and see if we're able to get something in. But I don't know. It's gonna be kind of risky because cars be coming down. I don't know if I'm enough road for that one. So, jeez, bro, these burbles, I gotta turn them off, bro. Like the cars be coming off this ramp right here. So we're gonna try to dig it from right here off the ramp. So we're gonna try to. Bro, that's trucking away. Fuck, I gotta let off. But we hit it, 11.25. No, I think I let off though. Yeah, 97 miles an hour. I let off. Fuck! I don't have enough road. I'm gonna run that back though. I had to let off, man. I could have ran a 10, bro. I could have ran a 10. I'm running the 10s around, bro. I ran out of road, man. But I'm gonna turn it around. I ran at 11.2 at 97 miles an hour. That's how you know I slowed down. I'll slow down way something. But that was 11.2. I didn't even get my 60 to 130 because there's not enough road for that one. But I'm gonna go check up this one more spot and see if we can get a good launch on this road. But shit, I was 11.2, but I slowed down. I let off because yeah, damn, bro, I let off. Fuck. But we're gonna try another road, bro. I'm gonna give y'all another pull. So I just came from a spot and that spot looked too sketchy. Like the roads was too windy. So I'm gonna try to go back to my last spot and see what we can run. But I'm still shook. We ran 11.2 and I let off, bro. So the fact that I let off, I probably could have ran something way better than that. I'm not gonna lie, bro. But right now it's kind of like too many cars. I might be able to get something in right here for real. If they catch a red light, hell yeah. They got a green light, but these guys gotta go. Go. What are they not going for, bruh? No way, bro. Don't mess me up. Don't mess the guy up, man. But we're gonna find someone to get a nice dig in. Alright, man, we back on this ramp. About to come off this ramp again and try to get a nice little dig, man. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what traffic talking about. What's a Fed right there? Mexico cop. I'll come off this again. Not letting up this time. Let's reset the drag key. Reset the drag key. Ready, go. Oh shit. Ready, go. That shit came out of gear, bruh. What the fuck? Came out of gear. I seen that red line, right? It came out of launch mode. Jeez, bruh. What was that? 11.6. That was slower than the last run. Nah, 11.06. Nah, it's actually lower. It's invalid anyways, bro. It's an invalid run. I'm about to go put some gas, man. Put some gas and let it cool down. That's even invalid. So it's 11. I'm thinking we can get in the 10s, bro. 60 foot was 163. But that run was invalid, bro. So we're gonna have to run that back. I'm gonna go fill up, let it cool down a little bit, and run a way better time than that. Cause man, I don't know what was that, man. But I'm gonna go fill up real quick, man, and give you another run. Hey man, we just filled up, put like 2 gallons in the tank, trying to let the engine cool down real quick a little bit. The last time I kept doing it, got too hot, so I just put like 2 gallons. Copyright. I'll put 2 gallons in the tank, let everything cool down real quick. Then I'm gonna probably let it cool down for like 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna give it a nice little run again. Probably lower the temps. But it's cold, it's like 43 degrees outside. I was looking, my 60 foot is not too bad on this car. It's like a 1.6. So if it didn't come out at launch, I don't know why it came out at launch mode, but I'm gonna let it cool down and we're gonna run it again. Alright, YouTube, so we back on the road. I let it cool down for 10 minutes. Usually I let it cool down for 30 minutes, but since I'm losing daylight, I just let it cool down for 10 minutes and the temperature dropped down a little bit, but not too much like I would have done in 30 minutes. But you know, we don't got 30 minutes, so we still gotta get the video done for y'all, man. So right now, I'm actually gonna try to give y'all a highway run. Let's see if that's better. Do a dig right off the ramp. And possibly get a 60 to 130, everything is on one. That's about to be crazy. But you know, we still have to drag it on lock right here. Hopefully we can get a valid run. I'm thinking as long as we get into the 10s, bro, I can play with that and then just go from there. But I know it could probably definitely go 10s. Some people have been 10.6, which is a JB4, but I am full weight and I got a little bit more, so we're gonna see what that's talking about right now. You already seen a dig off the highway onto the highway ramp? Oh nah, bro, this traffic, son. Nah, what? I just set myself up, bro. I just set myself up. Ooh, gosh. Alright, now we're gonna get out of this traffic, bro. No, we're gonna get out of this traffic. Hey man, we coming off the ramp, man. I was in traffic for like 15 minutes, bro. My car got warm. But we're gonna come off that ramp again where we've been coming off of, and hopefully we can get a good pass this time. But I don't know, traffic's picking up, so a lot of cars on the road, so we gotta be cautious. So we're gonna see. something nice. Something nice. The ramp right here. He's coming down too. I just gotta be ready to launch it. I just gotta be ready to go. Go, fam. Now we're gonna get a good pull right here, y'all. We're gonna get a good pass. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. The car low-key went sideways off the launch, bro. That's all I'm giving it today, though. Where we ran a 10.9. They keep saying invalid, bro. Keep saying invalid. 10.93. I'll take that. I'll take that for the day, bro. I know we could do better, bro. I ain't shit, man. Let me see a 10.93. I know people on E running 10.7s, bro. But I know we did pretty well. That's still an invalid run though, so I don't know why I said low stat signal. But a 10.93. Sheesh. I know we could do better than that, but I don't got it in me, bro, right now. The car, I don't even know that. Just coming off that turn, it's like it wasn't even going straight. I had to like go like this coming off that turn, bro. But 60 foot looking good. My diff boat's crying right now, man. But sheesh, man, what the fuck? That wasn't too bad, bro. I know we can run definitely lower than that, but for the video, man, for the safety purposes too, I'm gonna just keep it at that. Ain't gonna try to force it too much, not trying to beat on the car way too much, but that's just stage 3. Stacy's Trans boot mod stage 2 at 10.9. That's faster than my X5 for sure. But I'm already knowing we can beat that, y'all. But let me know what y'all saying down in the chat if y'all got any tips for me, because I'm getting into this game, man. So I really know, you know, I'm just using the factory launch control and just revving it to 3K RPMs and just launching it. Crash, I hold it longer and build a little bit more boost, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, man. So, but I feel like it's pretty good. It's a good ballpark for nothing. No sliders adjusted or anything like that. It's just a regular stage 3, not in drag mode. So, and it's full weight too, by the way. So I feel like that's pretty decent. But let me know what y'all saying down below in the chat, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. But I appreciate y'all, man. Like, I really appreciate y'all, man, so much. But y'all been going crazy for me, man. So I'm gonna go crazy for y'all. But make sure you like, subscribe, man. Let's get to 5K by the end of the year, man. Peace out.